going to share information about a hosting environment, as well as introduce you to a company called Apptrix. Hosting your ERP in the cloud is another very good option for many companies. If you've never heard of Apptrix, Apptrix has been around for a long time. They incorporated 25 years ago, starting its hosting business with the Infor SyteLine customers, so they're not new at this. And then over the course of decades, Apptrix has hosted many other different solutions, including Visual and CRM and CPQ and Infor Service Management, just to name a few. Apptrix is a wholly owned subsidiary of WM Synergy, which means our teams are in lockstep with everything that our customers are doing, not only for active cloud migration projects, but we also have visibility into your service desk tickets as well. So you can think of us as one partner with many amazing offerings. Apptrix has 2 world-class data centers, one in Houston and one in Atlanta, where customers' transactional data is being backed up every 15 minutes to the reciprocating site. So in the very unlikely event that one of the data centers were to go down, which, by the way, has never happened, the other site can keep our customers up and running. Our customers' environments are set up in a single private tenant, which means you're not sharing environments with any other customer. And there are some benefits of a single tenant cloud environment, including additional layers of data security as customers' data is isolated, thereby minimizing the risk of data breach. If you have any customizations, there are more customization options because each customer has dedicated hardware and dedicated software. And for portability, as it's easier to migrate data from a single tenant architecture. Apptrix customers seem to really like this approach because we never force customers to new versions until they're ready, and then we'll work hand in hand with them on those upgrades and updates. As we've discussed, cybercrime is one of the top reasons that customers come to Apptrix, and because of that, Apptrix does use artificial intelligence to monitor all the cyber attacks that are happening all day, every day, to protect customers from viruses and worms and data breaches and ransomware. These AI tools have automated mitigation functionality so that we can always stay one step ahead of these cybercrime attackers, even in the middle of the night. That way, our customers can enjoy a good night's sleep. One of the main differentiators between Apptrix and other hosting providers is our unparalleled industry expertise. We understand manufacturing. We understand our customers' needs. We understand the manufacturing software applications that you use. We know exactly what a customer needs when there are patches to be applied to their software. And on top of that, we have team members that are on call 24/7 for any issues that you may have. So circling back to the challenge of improving profitability, we talked about potential financial benefits. Well, there are certainly many, many benefits to hosting your ERP in the cloud, but a cloud migration needs to make good financial sense. Apptrix can eliminate those large spikes in the IT budget when you're having to buy all new servers and eliminating that tech debt. Plus, we also include the Microsoft OS licensing in your monthly fees, so that cost will go away for you. Another financial consideration with a monthly hosting subscription, the expense moves from a capital expenditure with depreciation expenses to a simple straight line operating expense. And then when you consider all of the other cost components, such as apportioned salaries for all the IT tasks that Apptrix does and or outsourced IT expenses and the reduction of cybersecurity insurance and the reduction of downtime expenses, et cetera, it becomes very easy to see. And we can plug all of these numbers into our ROI calculator. And for some of our customers, we have seen up to 90% upfront savings by not having to buy all of that new hardware and software, and up to 50% with year-over-year savings. And oh, by the way, we do offer a discount for a 3-year agreement. So there's additional savings there. So to wrap it up, here are some of the other benefits of hosting with Apptrix. We consider our approach to be a very low risk commitment. With a monthly fixed price, you can terminate the agreement after 1 year if for some reason you decide it wasn't a good fit for your company. But honestly, for the life of us, we can't think of a good reason why you would feel that way. For companies rapidly growing, either organically or through mergers and acquisitions, we can support your growth well ahead of time with short notice. And not only do we monitor for cybersecurity attacks 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you're sleeping, Apptrix is also a SOC 2 Type 2 compliant organization, which means that we will enforce stringent change management controls to protect your environment from either unintentional or even intentional corruption. Hopefully there's not much of that. And with Apptrix carrying the liability of this cybersecurity, your exorbitant cybersecurity insurance costs should be greatly reduced. Our servers are super stable, and with the especially with the data redundancy built into our offering, and our cloud technicians have been doing these jobs for a very, very long time, some of them 25 years, so they are also very reliable and very stable. Implementations are very rapid, usually within 2 to 3 weeks. We can have your environment ready and provisioned for you. And in closing, our mantra has always been, we want you to do what you do best, which is, of course, manufacturing superior products, and then outsource the rest of these time-consuming tasks to Apptrix.